Twitter accounts belonging to Joe Biden, Bill Gates, Elon Musk and Apple, among other prominent handles like Barack Obama as well, were compromised on Wednesday in what Twitter said it believes to be an attack on some of its employees with access to the company's internal tools. We detected what we believe to be a coordinated social engineering attack by people who successfully targeted some of our employees with access to internal systems and tools, Twitter's support team said late Wednesday. The attackers posted tweets that appear to promote a cryptocurrency scam. The accounts, along with those of former President Barack Obama, Kanye West, Kim Kardashian West, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos and Mike Bloomberg, posted similar tweets soliciting donation via Bitcoin to their verified profiles on Wednesday. Everyone is asking me to give back and now is the time, Gates' tweet said, promising to double all payments to a Bitcoin address for the next 30 minutes. All the tweets were subsequently deleted. Once we became aware of the incident, we immediately locked down the affected accounts and removed tweets posted by the hackers, Twitter said. We have locked accounts that were compromised and will restore access to the original account owner only when we are certain we can do so securely. In a tweet on Wednesday, CEO Jack Dorsey said it was a tough day for us at Twitter. We all feel terrible this happened, Dorsey said. We are diagnosing and will share everything we can when we have a more complete understanding of exactly what happened. A little more than an hour after the attack began, Twitter apparently moved to prevent holders of verified accounts from tweeting. Non-verified accounts could still tweet, however. Around 8:30 p.m. ET, roughly 3 hours after Twitter first said publicly that it was investigating the apparent hack and a little more than 2 hours after it shut down tweeting for some accounts, Twitter said the majority of accounts had been restored to full functionality. A sheer number of prominent accounts impacted made it arguably the biggest security incident in Twitter's history. A hack like this is particularly concerning not just because of any financial scam that can be run, but because so many world leaders use Twitter and some, like President Donald Trump, use it to announce major policy decisions. A hack that took over an account belonging to one of those leaders could have devastating consequences.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.